it's a time to see, to move to the further. So another topic I want to start. So as we discussed in the Saturday class, today we will start a regular expression in Python. Regular expressions in Python. So let us start understanding about what is the index of regular expressions. Very simple. Purpose of regular expression. Purpose of regular expressions. Okay. And next, definition of regular expression. Definition of regular expression. And next, module name. Module name required for developing applications related to regular expressions. So that is what you know. The module name is called RE. So what is this RE stands for? Regular expression. Functions in RE module. Functions in RE module. So the first function there you need to do is, search. First function is search. Second function is find all. Third function is find, ITER, find iter. Next, fourth function is start. Next, fifth function is, end. Sixth function is group. And the seventh function is sub. Okay. Programming examples. And next, this is called one level. This is what I will discuss today. It's a concept based here. Next, I will discuss about another one, very important. Programmer defined character classes. Followed by programming examples. And next is called predefined character classes. And followed by programming examples. Next, quantifiers in regular expressions. Right, in regular expressions. And next we will talk about programming examples. Okay. And next we will talk about combined programming examples on programmer defined, predefined, programmer, comma, predefined, and quantifiers. Right? This is the content of what? Programmer defined. This is the content of what regular expressions. So this will take 2.5 days, and today and tomorrow, and plus half day. So let us start understanding about regular expressions now. Easy, students. Let us go to this place and regular expressions here. Fine. So there I will go for index. Okay. So first we will understand about what is the purpose of this regular expressions. Introduction to regular expressions, I will be starting about it. Why we need this regular expressions. So this topic is completely new, and to see that how we are going to be. This is the most useful topic. So regular expressions is generally comes under regular expressions is one of the programming language independent topic. Independent topic. It is a programming language independent concept. Programming language independent concept. That means, especially you can use in Java, especially you can use it in Python, especially you can use it in all the programming languages, including C language also, including C++ also you can use it. And especially you can use it in Python, you can use it in Java, you can use it into C#.NET, C#.NET, and you can use it into JavaScript also. JavaScript also you can use regular expressions. So that's why regular expressions can be used in any programming language. So especially in my Python classes, I'm telling about these regular expressions because I know the importance of these regular expressions. So try to understand why this regular expressions concept is required. The regular expressions concept is implemented in in Python programming, in Python programming, in Python programming with many functions, and available in available in available in RE module. RE module. So all the functions of regular expressions are available into RE module. So to develop any regular expressions concept related programs or applications, we must import RE module. So RE module, we must import RE module. So here we are going to talk about what is the purpose of this regular expressions. The purpose of regular expressions concept is data validation and to build robust application. To build this one, I will write it. To build robust applications. To build robust applications that we already done, plus with the data validation. I'm going to write it. With the data validation. This is what you need to remember. To build the robust applications, which concept we used it? Exception handling. If we remember it, to build the robust applications, which concept we used, students? Exception handling. So what is the use of exception handling? To build robust applications. Like, take an example where I can use directly. If you take an ATM application, you take PIN is wrong. PIN is wrong. What we are saying, we will abnormally terminate the program execution by using our try except blocks. Try and except blocks we use it, and we will abnormally terminate this kind of program. That is called exception handling. Suppose there is something like username entered wrong in the web application development, or some password is entered wrong in web application development. That time we will say what? This is PIN wrong and it is process is terminated here. Process is terminated in authenticated applications like ATM. When username and password is coming, generally I'm talking about the web application development. We say password is wrong. It says the option called try again. Try again means what? It will continue the execution. It won't stop it. This comes under data validation with continuity. That can be done by what? Regular expressions. Are you able to follow this? So we are going to provide, we are telling that input is wrong and we will make it to get it once again. We will make it to accept the input once again by using what? With a simple formulas we are going to use it. We have done this kind of thing with what? While true concept. If you remember, our beginning days of loops concept, I said data validation by using while true concept. If you remember, this is with our intelligence, we written some lines of code. Suppose 5 lines of code. For example, name validation, if you take it in our programs, we almost written 10 to 15 lines of code is written for name validation. But when you come to regular expressions, we will write just 2 lines of code. We will just do 2 lines of code. This is going to be more elegant than what? 15 lines of code. That 2 lines of code for validating the name of the person is comes under regular expressions here. So data validations always can be easily handled by which concept? Regular expressions. And don't think that regular expressions is a concept of Python. That we are special interest, we are teaching these regular expressions in Python. So Python people also giving the RE module for implementing regular expressions for data validations. I hope you are understanding. Robust applications with exception handling we built. Robust applications with the data validations also we are building. With what here? Regular expressions. So this is comes under simply robust applications with exception handling, robust applications with the name. For example, you are enter your name. You are entering 123. What I am doing? I don't stop my program. I will say invalid name. Try again. Again I will say what? Rosam dollar Guido I am entering. Invalid input. Try again. These are all comes under what? Data validations we are building with robustness that can be done easily by using regular expressions. So data validations we will build by using regular expressions. That also comes under robust applications. So what is the definition of regular expression? So anybody ask you what is the use of regular expressions? We are saying to build the robust applications with data validation. Now I am telling almost 30 plus robust 30 plus data validation rules I will explain here. And that rules, even the working employee also don't know. And that many rules I am giving. And at present, you don't know what are the rules. By today and tomorrow class, if you listen completely, you will become a solid student in regular expressions. Let me start about what is the definition of regular expression here. Definition of regular expression. Definition of regular expression. And one more example, let me tell you where these regular expressions are used again in our real world. So one is called data validation. One more is called regular expressions where we can use it. Suppose you go for this notepad or Edit Plus, you take it. Go to the place called search option. Students, online students, carefully follow. Search option is available. Search is there or not? There we will do what? Search, find. Find, you go for it. What is available? Find what it is saying. Find what? What I'm saying? Regular expressions. I put in word there. And see what? Find. Find. When I say find, it is starting from where? Wherever regular expressions word is saying, it is going on tracing. Regular expressions, say next, click on find. Again it is showing. 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 What is the meaning of it? This is a regular expression only, not expressions. So if somebody asks you tomorrow, this is a document. In that document, how many times these regular expressions are available? So it is going to give you what? I need not write a manual process. I will write a simple 2 lines of code for it to search it. If it is a normal Python programming, how do you write it? We will do what? Break it. That is called we will split it, put it in the list. I will apply what? List dot count of regular expressions. So that it will give you how many times this is occurred. Rather than writing that much of code, we will write it with a simple formula. This is known as what? Pattern matching we can call. What is that? Pattern matching. Data validations. I will add one word called what? Pattern matching. So pattern matching. I'm just writing here. Pattern matching here I wrote. To build robust applications with the data validations and what? And used in pattern matching applications. That is what you are going to come across. You see, the notepad itself will have the option called find. Now I'm going to use it, regular expressions. And let us take one given text. All of you carefully observe it. Given text is equal to double quote started, double quote started. Here I am having capital A, something small k, something like some digit, some symbol called ampersand, something like capital H, small u, capital R, small t, number 6, at the rate, and 8, and I'll say some q, and say some small a, and capital P, small n, capital W, 8, some special symbol, and I will say capital L, and something like, small t, like this. Now somebody is asking, find how many number of special symbols are available. We write a code for what? How to find the special symbol. How to find the special symbol? Not alpha, not a digit, not a space. Case comes under what? Special symbol. Already we did that coding in the class. I want to find upper. See, for finding that special symbol, we wrote lot of lines of code. But with regular expression, just one line I will write it. With one line of code, I will write it. Because there is a data validation rules are available. There is, suppose I want to find out the uppercase letters. Only uppercase letters I want to find. I will go for taking the data from this given string with for loop. Each character I need to take. I need to call which function? Upper function I need to call it. That will be at least 2 to 3 lines, 4 lines of code I need to write. But with regular expressions, I can write only one line of code, I can write it. So data validation rules are so powerful in where? Regular expressions. So what I want to search for? Special symbol. So special symbols searching. I want to search for special symbol. This is called my search pattern. That search pattern is prepared with what? Regular expressions. Searching special pattern, searching special symbol is called a search pattern, which is prepared by regular expression. That will be searched in the given data and get what? Special symbols I will get it. I want to get uppercase letters. Uppercase letters I want to get it. Uppercase letters, if I want to get it, what should I do? Prepare the search pattern by using which concept? Regular expression. Search in the given data. Obtains which result? Uppercase letters. Uppercase letters. So what is the regular expression? Regular expression is one of the search pattern. Used to search in where? Given data and gives desired result. So I'm going to write it. Definition, if you make it, get it clear, it's very simple. A regular expression is one of the search pattern. A regular expression is one of the search pattern. Is one of the search pattern. Is one of the search pattern. Which is used to search. Which is used to search. Which is used to search. And one more thing I want to write it. One more thing I want to write it. A regular expression is one of the search pattern. How the search pattern is available? Which is a combination of alphabets. How the search pattern combination I am preparing, which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and what? Special symbols. Special symbols. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and special symbols, which is used or search, or find or match with the given data, and obtains desired result. A regular expression is one of the search pattern, which is a combination of alphabets, digits, and special symbols, which is used to search or find or match with the given data and obtains what result? Desired result. So I hope that this is more clear. Once again, I will make it clear. Try to get it. What is the regular expression? search pattern. How the search pattern? Who will prepare? Who will prepare? Programmer will prepare. Programmer will prepare. Programmer will prepare. So here I am going to write it. Who will prepare the search pattern? Programmer will prepare. According to, by using which rules? Regular expressions. By using regular expressions, programmer will prepare the search pattern. That search pattern is a combination of what? Alphabets, digits, and a special symbol. Basically, what you will search it, students, according to your search pattern, either we are searching with alphabets, digits, or special symbol, or combinations, we will search it. We are going to tell you so a lot of rules for you. That search pattern we are using to search in which data? Given data, and gets which result? Desired result. That result we are going to get it. That for that purpose we use regular expressions. So how to go for using these regular expressions? I just want to go for certain examples. This is, first of all, it is clear. Is the definition clear? Come on. Right. Online students, is the definition clear? Quickly respond, everybody. All the students must respond it who are all cleared about this. Now I'm going to enter into the example. If you have already done the good programming on the subject, today you will get the taste of it. If you did not touch the laptop and if you try to look at, you will not get the feel of this definition. Let me go to the concept of regular expression programming. I want to go for it. Let us take certain example now. Python here. I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up program for demonstrating the need of regular expressions. Program for demonstrating the need of regular expressions. First example, look at. I am using S is equal to Python is an OOP language. Python is also, I'm writing here, Python is also functional programming language. This is my given data. Now I want to go for finding how to find the value called Python. That is my question mark. So split stand up. So third కనిపిస్తున్నాను. నువ్వు కూడా లాస్ట్. ఎస్, యూ ఆల్సో లుకింగ్ డిఫరెంట్. ఏదో నవ్వుకుంటున్నారు ఇద్దరు. మిమ్మల్ని మేము నవ్వాలి. దెన్ టెల్ మీ, హౌ డు యూ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ కాల్డ్ పైథాన్ హియర్? Both of you. If you know the subject, you answer it. మీకు తెలిస్తే కానీ చెప్పండి. తెలియనప్పుడు మరి పాలు కూర్చొని అంత వినాలి. అర్థమవుతుందా? How do you find the value of Python? Next. You also. Tell me. Stand up. How do you find the value of Python here with programming of Python? I want to find out how many times this Python is available. How do you find it? ఏం రాకుండా కూర్చుంటే ఏం రాదు. వినాలి. చెప్పేటప్పుడు ఏమైనా జోక్స్ అంటే బయట. ఇక్కడ ఏం రాదు. ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పు మీకు. How do you find the value? How do you find number of times Python is coming? తీసుకోండి, బుక్స్ తీసుకోండి, అక్కడ సపరేట్ కూర్చోండి మీరిద్దరు. ఇక్కడ కూర్చోండి. రండి ఇక్కడ ఫాస్ట్. మధ్యలో అతను కూడా. స్టాండ్ అప్. టెల్ మీ, హౌ డు యు ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ పైథాన్ హియర్? మీకేనా చెప్తే తెలుగు రాదా మీ ఇద్దరికి? ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ ఇద్దరు లేపినట్టు. టేక్ యువర్ బుక్స్, కమ్ హియర్, కమ్ విత్ మీ. హౌ డు యు ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ పైథాన్ హియర్? హౌ డు యు ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ? మీరు ఎందుకు వస్తారు? మీరు అక్కడే కూర్చొని, మీకు తెలుగు రాదు, సబ్జెక్ట్ అర్థం అవ్వదు. కమాన్, ఇక్కడ కూర్చోండి. ఇక్కడ కూర్చోండి. మీరు మీకు నీ పెయిన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటా. కమాన్, ఆన్సర్. స్టాండ్ అప్, నిలబడండి. హౌ డు యు ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ పైథాన్? నంబర్ ఆఫ్ అకరెన్సెస్ ఆఫ్ పైథాన్. ఆన్సర్ చేయకపోగా మళ్ళా హ్యాపీ ఫీలింగ్. ఫోల్డింగ్ హ్యాండ్స్ నో ప్రాబ్లమ్ శ్రీడమ్, నార్మల్లీ యూస్ ఇట్. ఆన్సర్ 24 years 25 years వచ్చినాయి, ఆన్సర్ చేయడం లేదు. కూడా మీది సేమ్. So if anybody says this will be obtained by using what, see that online students, see how they are saying it. Next Rajeshwari, Asif, by using which function? Split function you will use it. By using split function. How many string functions are there? Tell me some string functions. String functions చెప్పుకొని. I said so many string functions for you. How many are there? ఒక ఫంక్షన్ చెప్పు. One function you tell me in string functions. One function you tell me. మళ్ళీ ఎందుకు? You also. One function you tell me in strings. నేను 20 చెప్పాను, నువ్వు చెప్పు ఒకటి. మరి ఎందుక? చూడండి, come to the point of it. So here, sit down. Separate కూర్చోండి. Sit separate. నువ్వు అక్కడే కూర్చో, ఏం అర్థం అవ్వదు, సబ్జెక్ట్ రాదు, డిసిప్లిన్ తెలియదు. So here I will go to this part. Here I am going to say, here I will go for, how do you find this? By using split function, and I'll apply count function. Count function I'll apply. Now I want to go for finding the value called Python. That is a normal programming. With Python programming, how to do it? But I'm going to introduce lot of rules. So here, this is called a given data. This is called a given data. What I want to search it here, especially today with regular expressions, what I'm going to say is search pattern is equal to, I'm going to tell lot of patterns. Today I'm introducing the first module I'm going to introduce. So carefully try to follow. I want to search for Python. One is already explained in the class with the split function, which we already explained in the class, which we discussed also. Count function explanation. So much of explanation I gave. Now SP is equal to Python here. Now I want to say this Python, I want to search in the given data today by using which concept? Regular expressions. Already by using what? Normal Python code I wrote it, split the data and apply the count function. When I split it, it is returning what? It is going to return what? The value called what? Returning the value called list. So coming to the point back, here I am going to write it. In this case, we are going to apply program for demonstrating the need of regular expression. Today I am going to use it. There is a function name called what? Find all. Find all. It is a function name. What we are going to finding here? Given data, comma, SP or SP, comma, given data. I'm going to write it, given data. The value SP searched in the given data. The value SP searched in the given data. What is my given data? This is a Python. And this Python, this is a sentence. In the sentence, I want to look for the word called yes, Python. This function belongs to what? Every function belongs to dash. Every function belongs to module. So this module is called what? RE here. I'm going to write it. Import RE. Import RE. RE dot find all. This returns the value called what? List it returns. So result I'm going to take. Match list, matched result it is going to return. The result is going to contain number of times the value Python available in the given data. Number of times the value SP, number of times the value Python available in the given data. How many times this Python is available? 2 times. 2 times that value will be getting Python will present into result. So print the result here once. Print the result here once. So Python 2 times it will print in the form of result. So let us try to run it. Regular expression 1.py. Important. Regular expression 1.py. So here if we go to it, I'm going to take it. Regular expression 1.py. There I'm going to enter into this place. Here I'm going to say CMD. Here I'm going to say like this. Here E colon CD KVR Python say some 7 a.m. here. Regular expressions here. PY. There I am going to write it. What is going to come? Find all returns list of values which are SP, there is a given data present in where all the occurrences of Python will be fetched from where given data. How many occurrences Python will present? Another time Python also will present. So that will print 2 times Python here. So py regular expression 1.py. So what is coming? Python is coming. If you want there, you can find print of. So the word I'm writing here, the word occurred. So I will write it times. I'm going to write here what? Times. There I'm writing dot format of what I'm writing len of. What is that? Result. Len of result. What is the len of result will give you? Length of the result. Result of length of this list is going to be called value is coming or not? So try to run this. One is called SP comma result. So that value called what? Takes 1 minute, student. Here I will write it. Before that I need to write SP comma like this I will write it. See that it is going to be the word Python occurred how many times? 2 times. So next I will write it. One more word I will write it. LANG I am writing. LANG. Do you have LANG here? Come on. There are not there. This one. There are not there. Not there. It is a capital L. But here what is available? Small. It is not there. So find all returns empty. No values result. No results present in that. It is going to return empty and saying that empty list and 0 times the lang is coming. I am writing one more word called what? AN I am writing. AN. Tell me how many times this AN is available? Come on. 1 time. How many times? One time. How many times? 1 time. How many times? 1 time. Right. Look at how many times others? 1 time. Now look at AN 1 time. Another AN second time. Another AN third time. How many times it is available? 3 times. Life is so careful. You are looking at only AN. Mahabharatam, Duryodhana is there. You will look at only 1 time. Arjuna is also there, clever boy. You will see 3 times. Because whether it happened or not, we don't know. But it is the morality of the story is what? We should be like a Arjuna in the subject. Now see that what is an answer is coming? How many times this an is available? But you said how many times? Wrong or right? Daily will come to the class. But you will say what? Wrong answer. How much carefulness must be there? Is it not enough to say simply that how you are negligent? So, this indicates this even in operator cannot do. You have to split it and each one you have to write a sub outer for loop, inner for loop, and then in operator. All those things I have to write it. But with a simple find all, you are able to get this simple manner like this. Now, this find all, come on now, it is used for what? Searching for all the occurrences of a search pattern in the given data. Find all returns list of occurrences values. If the value is not found in the given data, it returns what? Empty list. Is it clear or not? Online students. Is it clear for all of you? Quick, I want to know, is it clear for everybody? Now, this is only beginning, which I'm before the formulas I'm giving to you explanation for this kind of functions. Right, students. Now I'm going to enter into the second example I'm going to take up. Second example I'm going to introduce. Look at this now. Others I'm saying Python, here I'm going to say expression2.py, expression2.py, Python, here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to say the word called Python. Somebody is interested. Somebody is interested. I want to find whether the value present in this place or not. Whether the value present in this place or not. If it is present, I want to know about its index. Index means what? Suppose you take this is a given text data. It's the given text data. What is the index of Python? 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. It will be coming or not? It will be coming like this. Right? And this is the way we are going to find the value like this. And what is the index of G negative side? Last student. నేను 3 రోజుల నుంచి క్వశ్చన్ అడగాలనుకున్నా. ఐఎమ్ థింకింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ లాస్ట్ 3 days onwards I want to ask a question. I don't know why I did not ask you, but somehow I forget. What is the negative index of G? Good. What is the negative index of negative index of P? ఇది చెప్పావు అనుకో, నువ్వు గ్రేట్ స్టూడెంట్, మంచి స్టూడెంట్ నువ్వు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెగటివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ P? -1. ఇది -1, అది -1. -5, 6. ఓకే, నువ్వు చెప్పా. మీరంతా ఫ్రెండ్సా? ఏ కాలేజీ? ఎంసీ అన్నా, బీటెక్. మీరంతా ఫ్రెండ్సా? వీడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత పరిచయం. ఓకే, ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉండకూడదు ఎప్పుడు కూడా. నేను ఎందుకు మిమ్మల్ని క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నాను, ఎందుకో నాకు తేడా కనిపించింది మీ అందరూ, అందుకే మిమ్మల్ని. ఈయన కూడా మీ ఫ్రెండేనా? ఆయన కూడా అడుగుతాను, మీ నలుగురు ఆయన కాదా? వాళ్ళ దగ్గర కూర్చున్నాను. యు సాట్ విత్ దెమ్. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. డోంట్ టేక్ ఇట్ అస్ మీరు ఏదో మిమ్మల్ని క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతున్నాను. డోంట్ ఫీల్ లైక్ దట్. బట్ మై బోదరేషన్ ఈస్ యు హావ్ టు లిసన్ మై క్లాస్. Even at the end of the class also I am asking questions. What is the negative index of -P? -15. ఓకే, ఎట్లది కౌంట్ చేసావా? ఓకే, కౌంట్ చేద్దాం. ఎక్కడి నుంచి? ఇక్కడి నుంచా? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. ఓకే, స్పేస్ కూడా 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. ఓ దగ్గరికి 15 అయిపోయింది. నువ్వు లే -50. ఓకే, -19 -LN of good. ఎక్సలెంట్. నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నావు? ఏదో చెప్తున్నావు నువ్వు. ఇట్స్ గుడ్. ఎక్కడ చెప్పాను? వేర్ ఐ సెడ్ దిస్? ఇన్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్, మెమరీ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఓన్లీ ఐ సెడ్. 4 కార్నర్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఐ సెడ్ ఆర్ నాట్? చెప్పేదిలా ఈ సెట్ ఫ్రెండేనా? మళ్ళా చెప్పేదిలే, నువ్వు చెప్పేదిలే. చెప్పావా? ఏం చెప్పావు? తప్పు చెప్పావు. సో సిడౌన్, కూర్చోండి. సో హియర్ కూర్చో, నువ్వు కూడా కూర్చో. సో హియర్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రైంగ్ టు సే ఈస్ ఐ వాంట్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్. I already said na LEN of GD. When I apply minus, you will get the negative side value or not. What is this last one? -1 I said. So నువ్వు అది -1 కూడా చెప్పట్లే. నువ్వు చెప్పావు. ఎప్పుడు చెప్పావు? ఆయన చెప్పిన తర్వాత నేను అడగల, నిన్న క్వశ్చన్ అడగల. ఐ ఆస్క్డ్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద నెగటివ్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ P అన్నాను. -5, 1, సంథింగ్ ఏదో చెప్పావు, 15 ఏదో చెప్పావు, 15 50 కౌంట్ చేశాను ఇప్పుడు, కౌంట్ చేస్తా ఇప్పుడు చూడు. సో ఐ విల్ క్యారీ దిస్ డేటా, go to the Python environment, I'll go to this place. Here you look at GD, ln of GD is going to be called what? 50. But it is the wrong answer, no? Negative index of what? Negative index of what? P. That was my question. If I write it, S of ln of GD of ln of GD. If I write this one like this, it will give you what? Error. Index error will come. Index error came, right or not? But what I need, as your friend said, minus. Value came. 50 ki minus 50 ki చాలా తేడా ఉంది. Difference is there or not? So, coming to the point back here, when you look at this side, KVR sir will look at you. In college, they won't look at you. Why? That is different. Okay, na? Different kada? Right. Come to the point of it. Anyhow, I want to find out, I want to search for the word called Python. At which index the word Python is available, I want to find. So, for that, I am using the function name called search. Very, very important. So, search function will do what? It will take the parameter SP to GD. The value SP searched in GD for the first occurrence only. This is present into where? re.search. So, search function will search for SP for first match only. In where? GD. If SP present into GD, it returns some data. What data it returns? It returns the value called span. Means what? The value Python is present into which index to which index it was present. It was present in where? 0 index started and 5th index ending. But still 5th index value is there or not? End index plus 1. It is actually 5. 5 plus 1 is called what? 6. It is going to be available here. 6 will be substituted here. Means Python is having how many letters? 6 letters. The 6 letters will present to where? 0 to 6 means what? 0 to 6 minus 1 will be applied. So when end index is called 5, it will add plus 1 to it and it will give you. And it returns the value, matched value present here is called Python is going to give. This complete information is stored in the left side variable. The left side variable is called what? Object. Of which class? Match class it is called, student. Match class, which is present into which object? RE dot, regular expression dot. Match class it is. You know what is the class already in our oops. What is this match? It is a class. Present into which one? RE. So what is the use of search function? It is used for searching for the first occurrence of the given data, first occurrence of the specified data into the given data. If it is present, it returns match object which contains span of that data. What value it is found? First occurrence only it will give you. For example, I will print this now. Result. And its a type also I will print. Result I am going to write it. Important. Let us execute this now. Come out of that. You come out of this now. Go to the place like this. You try to run it. Py, regular expression 2. What is coming? Match object, span 0 to 6. Match is called what? Which type? Match class type object. So once it is written, value found. Now I am writing the value called what? KVR. Is the KVR value present in this given data? No. It is going to give you what value? No value found in that. It returns the result is going to contain what? None. None indicates what? No data present. Suppose if I go to, suppose search option in operating system, for example, I want to search for something. What I'm searching for? A peculiar information I'm going to search it. What is the value I'm searching? Pune. I'm searching for Pune here. No items match. Are you seeing this result now from operating system? No items to match your search. No items match your search. Getting me? So here if I write it, QR code if I write it, what is happening? QR code is find or not? It is many number of things. This is called which option? Find all it is using. In which are all the places present. Am I getting the data or not? If no items are present, what will happen? It is not returning anything. Not returning anything means what? Empty list it is. I think you are getting me. You try to execute this code and see the answer now. What is the value printed? None and none type. Tell me now, if you really follow me, what is this now? Search function returns how many values? One is none, one more is match. If result is, online students, if result not equal to what? If result not equal to what? None, then say what here? What here? Search is successful. Search is successful. Now I'm going to say print. What is the value found? SP. That is nothing but I'm going to write it. Found. At. If you want. Found at. If you want. I can write it. Start index. Found at. Start index. Here, students. Start index. 1 minute. Start index. I will write it. And end index. End index also I am writing it. End index also I am writing it. Here I am writing. Start index I am writing. End index also I am writing. Dot format of, what is this now? SP. I will write Python here. What is the value I got it here? What is the value I got it? Like this. SP of 0, what? 6. What is this 0? If I want to get this starting index, there is a value called what? What is the value of result that time returning? Match. In that result containing function name called what? Start function. What is this is known as? It is obtained by using which function? End of function. Start of and end of are present into where? Match object. Next is called to get the matched value. I need to go for what? Group function is available. Which function name? Group. So I will write it SP. That is called the result related Python. If you want to get it, I will say result dot group. Nothing but Python only coming. You can write SP or you can write result dot group. One more is called what? Result dot what you can say? Start. Next I can say result dot what end I will write it. I hope it is clear for you. In place of this, what is present? The matched value, Python. In this place, what is present? Index, 0. In this place, what is present? 6 it is printed. Suppose if it is none is returning, no value is available, result, none, not equal to none, false. Coming to where? Else. There I will write it. No items match, no values matched, no values matched. I will write it here. Print of search is unsuccessful. Print search is unsuccessful. Search is unsuccessful. I think you are following me. Regular expressions 2.py. Execute this code. Py. Regular expressions 2.py. Search is successful. Python found it. Which one? 0. And then what? Like this. If you want to print something in the more clearly to print it, I am writing there. Python found data start index 0, end index 6. Now I am going to write it. One more thing. Suppose, for example, small p I am taking. Small Python. This is capital P I Y T H O N I want to sell. Definitely it is not found, not matching. This is matching. Whose index will be coming? Starting index and ending index. Look at that. Here I am going to get it. Python found it 22 and then what? 28. What is the difference? 6 letters. Getting this? Are you following? Following? Hmm. Coming to the point back here, students, very carefully try to say. Suppose I am writing here KVR. Do you have any KVR word is present here? No. So that time what is the value returning? Search is unsuccessful, no values found at all. So what is the search function returns? Either none type or match type is returning. Either none type or match type is returning. I hope you are following me. Clear or not clear? Online students, is it clear? Quick. I need to know about quick. So search function will do what? Find all function will do what? Find all, search for all the occurrences of the given value. Only occurrences will be coming, but indexes are not given. But a search will give you what? It will look for first occurrence only. It will say what? First index, ending index of first match only it will be given. I think you are following, students. So here I am writing Python here. So Python here. So search function gives you first occurrence match only. My next requirement is what? Result of find all, result of search I want. What is the find all occurrences I want to match plus all the items indexes I want. That is called the next function called find iter. Let us go to the next one. Next function is called another one. I am going to take it 3.py. 3.py. There I am trying to write it re dot find iter. Very useful functions. Take any Python student of same institute. You ask this regular expressions. First of all, they don't know. Re dot find iter sp given data search in this way given data here. How it is searching? It is going to prepare table of entries. Table of entries will be prepared. What the table of entries are prepared? Try to take care carefully. Here I am going to write it. Starting index. Next is called what? Ending index. It is going to found what? Value. It is going to found. What is the value now? What is the value found here? Search value. Find ITR will do what? It will iteratively finding the SP value in GD. Iteratively means what? SP present into this place. What is the starting index? 0, 6. Actually 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. What is the value found here? Python. Next Python is present into where? 22 and then 28. One more Python is present. What it is giving? It is giving like a find all plus it will give you all the founded occurrences indexes are coming. This is the result of what? Find all. But result is pointing here. The result type is an object which is of type is callable iterator. Callable iterator. It is one object. How do you print it? If you print a result, it won't print like this. You have to write one for loop. What is the for loop? What is this now? For R in result. So what is coming in R? In R, this first match values will be coming. So definitely R is which type? Match type. Because one match values are coming. How do you print it there? P dot R dot group of R dot start of R dot what? End of. This values will be coming. R dot group of R dot search of R dot end of. So I'm going to get 0, 6 and then Python I'm going to get it. I think you are following me. So next loop, this is the first match is coming. Next one is coming to this place. Like this I'm going to get it. I think you are following me. Print the result of it once. Type of what? Here you say result. This is called execute a regular expression 3.py. Regular expression 3.py. See students, very easy for you to understand. Execute this now. Py. See, this is called what? Callable underscore what? Iterator. So here I will write it. Here I will write it. Callable underscore iterator. Here I will write it. Here result is of type is of type is of type callable underscore iterator. How do you print it? If you just try to print like that, it won't print the data. Original data it won't print. Memory address will be printed. I want to retrieve this data. How do I retrieve this data? For if I take it, or in result if I take it, or something like res in result if I take it. What is this now? Print of. What is this now? Here I will write it. Start index I will write it. Now I will write it end index, and what is this now? Value, matched value I will write it. Dot format of what? Res dot. First of all, you want to find out that res type, you can print res, print type of res comma type of res. You want to print that, you can see what is this now? Match type 0 to 61 Python match type. 22 to 28, one more match type. Here res is which type, students? Here res is an object of class re dot match. So there I want to find out. What is the value I want to find? Start index, end index, value. Res dot. What is this now? Start, comma, res dot, end of, res dot, group of. So this is a mechanism of what? Printing the starting indexes and all. See, start index 0, end index 6, value Python. Start index 22, end index 28, value is equal to Python. This is about the value. Suppose I am writing here something like lang I am writing. Lang is also present 2 times, 17, 21, 4 letters. 46 and 50, 4. Now I will write it here, what do you know? And I will write, student, and I am writing. What is this value present here? And is present in 3 places or not? Like this, you are getting it. So here I am writing Python, I am going to write it. This is a data what we are getting it. So I think we are following the mechanism of what? Like this. Clear or not clear? So students in online, so how many functions you know to search in the given regular expressions? Totally 6. Number 1, find all, search of, find ITR of, start of, end of, group of. Search will give you what? It search for the first match only, and it gives starting index of the first match, ending index of the first match. It won't look for further next consecutive matches. It will not look for. Only first match it will give you. Right? Next, what is the next function? Find all. Only nidrabothunavanu. Like find all. Tell me what find all will do. Mobile bit first. మొబైల్ పట్టుకొని నిద్రపోతున్నాం. చిన్నపిల్లల చేతిలో బొమ్మ పెట్టుకొని నిద్రపోయినట్టు. ఫైండ్ ఆల్ విల్ డూ వాట్? నిద్రపోతున్నాం, మళ్ళీ నిద్రపోలేదంటావు. అదే వచ్చింది. స్లీపింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? నో ప్రాబ్లం. స్లీపింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? నౌ టెల్ మీ, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ లిజనింగ్ మీ, tell me what find all will do. Find all repeated now. Example also said now. Tell me. Find all will do what? Suppose if you are listening, now answer my question. Find all will do what? అక్కడ చూడకూడదు, నాకులే చూడాలి. నువ్వు చెప్పమ్మా, నీకే నష్టం కదా. నిద్రపోతే నీకే నష్టం కదా. ఇఫ్ యూ విల్ స్లీప్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్, ఇట్స్ అ ప్రాబ్లం ఫర్ యూ నా. Correct or not? So you are not sleeping, but sleeping and waking up. Because up to 1:30, 2:30 night, midnight, watching YouTube and all problems. Of course, you are not doing, just a general example I am saying. Correct? Sleeping or not sleeping? Open ga, like a friend I am asking. Sleeping, na? Like sleeping and waking up, like, correct? That is only the problem. Yes, you are accepting. Should have no problem. Listen carefully. Because our parents send here to learn the subject. If you forget that target, if you move forward, then how it is? Realize. Hmm. Tell me now, what are the functions? Start off. So first search off, find all, find ITER. So which function will give complete searching mechanism? Find ITER will give you all the searchings. Find ITER returns an object of what? Find ITER returns an object of what? Send. Hmm? Kalabula. Kalabula, mobile bula. అది ఏముందా ఇక్కడ? కాలబుల్ ఇటరేటరా? ఆ ఇటరేటర్ కు కాలబుల్ కు మధ్యలో ఏముంది? మరి కంప్లీట్ చెప్పు. అది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. కాలబుల్ వేకబుల్ కాదు. కాలబుల్ అండర్ స్కోర్ ఇటరేటర్. స్పెల్ అవుట్. గుడ్. సిట్ డౌన్. నో లే. లాస్ట్. Search function returns an object of what if result found? Search function result what if the result found? Search function returns what if the result found? Hmm? That's what I'm saying, that only. If the first match found, then what search function returns? Which object search function returns if the value found? Which object? Match. If the value not found, returns. If the value not found, search returns none. చెప్పాను కదా ఆల్రెడీ, గుర్తుండదా? మరి చెప్పాలి కదా. అందులో నా కాన్సెంట్రేషన్, యూ నో మై కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్. విచ్ ఎవర్ క్వశ్చన్ యూ డోంట్ నో, దట్ ఓన్లీ ఐ విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ. దట్ ఈస్ మై కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్. Actually, you know, callable underscore iterator, but I asked him, he said callable only, but it is there in front of him. That not careful, just playful you are still. Now come to the point of it. Now, I don't want to make you to feel, but I want to make you to feel more and more. Why? Because already 22, 23 years, 24 years. The next what? You need to do Java or not? That's why be careful about it. Are you following me? So find ITR will do what? Search will do what? This start end group present in which object? Match object there from. So I'm going to show you the functions of what? This kind of thing. So regular expressions RE module contains how many functions? Come on, 6. What are the things you observed it? Search of, find all of, find ITR of, start of, end of, group of. There is a sub function is there, I will tell you. Not immediately now itself I am not telling. I'll tell you separately for you in the execution part. In this place I will tell you that. Right now don't worry about it. In quantifiers time I will tell you the sub function. Right now don't worry. Is it clear or not clear? Clear. Online students, now I will show you the discussion, that subject for you. Students in online, all of you try to say, is it clear or not? The functions which I said to you, I hope it is more clear. So go to the predefined functions in RE module. Tell me all of you, what is this RE module now? The module required for developing regular expressions is RE. So RE is a predefined module used for building robust applications by performing data validations. RE module contains the following functions. Find ITER. Any order is not important. ITER. Come on. Variable name is equal to RE.find ITER. Search pattern comma given data. Here variable name is an object of type class callable underscore iterator, not callable underscore iterator. When I'm saying something, you have to spell out that word in the class. When star is saying something, you should not look like that. You have to spell out in your brain. If you spell out now, you will remember for a long time. Next, this function is used for searching search pattern in given data iteratively and returns table of entries which contains a starting index, ending index, and a matched value based on search pattern. Clear up? Next, come to what? Find all. Variable name is equal to re.findAll search pattern comma given data. Here variable name is an object of class list. This function is used for searching search pattern in entire given data and find all occurrences or matches, and it returns all the matched values in the form of an object list, but not returning start index and end index. Search function, variable name is equal to re.search search pattern comma given data. What is this now? Variable name is an object of class re.match or class none type. This function is used for searching the search pattern in the given data for first occurrence or first match only, but not for other occurrences or matches. If the search pattern found in the given data, then it returns object of match class, which contains matched value and start index and end index value indicates search is successful. If the search pattern not found, then the data in the given data, then it returns none, which is of type none type, but indicates search is unsuccessful. Getting my point? Next, group. Group function obtained the matched value of find ITR and then search only, and present in where? Match class of RE module, match object dot group. Start. Obtaining the starting index of matched value present into match class of RE module, match object dot start. End. Here I am writing used for finding, obtaining end index plus 1 of matched value returns match class of RE module, match object dot end variable name. Subfunction, this I will explain separately to you, but I'll post to you because you don't know this subfunction, slashes and all those things you don't know. That's why don't worry about the subfunction. I'll explain in the class. Is this library clear? So this you have to remember. What are the functions in RE module in the regular expressions? So number one, search of, find all of, find ITR of, start of, end of, group of. Start of, end of, group of are present into which object? Match object. Clear up? Right. Online students. Now I'll move to the further. Students, now I want to go for seriously thinking about how to prepare the search pattern here. How to prepare the search pattern seriously. Now I am going to tell you the almost 30 plus rules I am going to tell you. So now I am entering into programmer defined character classes. Very, very popular concept. And beginning some confusion will be there. Later it will be very clear. So I'm going to write at this stage 16 rules I am going to write it. Later I will write 6 more rules. Later I will write 6 more rules. That will become 22. Later I will add 10 more rules. 32 plus rules will come. And anything comes, you will prepare the rule easily. Understand? So let me go for programmer defined character classes. It doesn't mean not OOPS related. Sir, this predefined programmer defined character classes, predefined character classes, quantifiers, these are all used for what? Making the efficient search pattern to prepare. These are all used for which concepts, sir? To prepare efficient search pattern, to prepare a perfect search pattern to do data validations perfectly. So now I am going to write it. The programmer defined character classes are developed by Python programmers for Python programmers and whose purpose is, whose purpose, whose purpose is that, whose purpose is that to define, to define or design, to define or design search pattern, search pattern, search pattern, search pattern, to define or design search pattern, which is used, which is used to search, which is used to search or match or find in given data, in given data, in given data for obtaining which result? Desired result. For obtaining desired result. For that purpose, we need to go for what? Programmer defined character classes. Sir, how to prepare? Now I am going to say. The following table gives, the following table gives, the following table gives, table gives list of programmer defined character classes. The following table gives list of programmer defined character classes. I am going to write the table. Before that, I would like to write one syntax also. Syntax I am going to write it. Look at that. Double quote start, square bracket starts and ending. In that I am going to write it what? Programmer defined character class. How to prepare that? You are going to get it. Programmer defined character class I am writing. What is this now? Table. Just I am going to write it. Let me go to this now. What is this table is available here? I'm just going to write it now. Simple students. Here I'm going to write it. Programmer defined character classes, I'm going to take it. So here, carefully follow serial number 1. And next is called what? Programmer defined character class. Programmer defined character class. Programmer defined character class. And purpose. In purpose, I'm going to take up. Here I'm writing purpose. What is the use of that? I'm going to write it. Simple students. Number 1, I'm going to take up. Students, for example, here I am trying to make you to understand. Beginning, it is a little difficult for you. Later it is going to be dead easy. Suppose you look at, here I am having something like this. Some letters are there or not? Some letters are available. Here I want to go for finding the letter called A. How many times it is available? How do you write it generally? Red t-shirt. How many times it is available generally? This is available 2 times, right or not? At which indexes they are available? How to find this A? It is easy for you. I will write a count function. I will use it. I will get 2. At which indexes they are available if I want to find out? Count function cannot do. Then which one is possible immediately? Regular expressions only possible. For example, one more I am writing here called a capital B and a capital C I am writing. I want to look for the letter A or letter B or letter C and whose indexes I want at the same time. Is count function will do? No. What you will do? I will look for first A by writing 4 lines of for loop. I'll write 4 lines of for loop. Once again, B I will write. 4 lines of for loop I will write for C. Totally 12 lines of code I want to write it to find this entire data, which is a complex process. So I want to look for which letters? Letter A, letter B, letter C with indexes. How to do that? For that, programmer defined character classes are required, which are used for preparing what? Search patterns. Now, first rule I am going to say, here I am writing, for example, A, B, C I am writing. For example, whatever I am writing inside the square brackets today, that is comes under what? This is comes under programmer defined character classes. Programmer defined character class. Here I am writing what it search for. I am writing this. Here I am writing searches for whatever I am writing inside the bracket. It is search for letter A or letter B or letter C. It is your own choice, students. Suppose I will write a KVR. Either K or V or R. Which letters? Small letters. Suppose I want to letter like this KVR. It is searches for what? Capital K or capital V or capital R. If I want to look for KVR completely, already you have seen word KVR. Like that, I am telling so many rules for you, which is really mind blowing concept. So I am writing here what ma A B C. What did you understand? Searches for either A, searches for either A or what B or what C only. Searches for either A or B or C only. Clear or not clear? Only it look for online students. If I go for an example, you will understand quickly now. Let us go to the first example now. How simple it is. Here I am writing regular expression 4.py. There I am going to write it what? Import RE. What is my given data? I will bring it, students. I will bring this data. Here I am going to take up. So here I am writing GD is equal to, I am writing for example, here I am writing capital A, capital B, capital C. For example, now what I want to look for, tell me, what is my search pattern here? Within the double quote, square bracket A, B, C. It is your own choice. What you want to search, you write in the square bracket. But remember, when you write a square bracket ABC, it won't look for a word ABC. Either A or B or C it will look for. Come on, tell me now. Matched result is equal to RE dot find ITER. Why find ITER I am taking? Because the complete search analysis will come. What I will pass it? SP comma GD. It will find, what is this now? It is going to give you, what I said already, start index, end index, and then what? Matched value. What is the value here called? A, what is this? 0, 1, A. At 0 and 1, what is the 0? Starting index of A. End index also 0 only. 0 plus 1 is called what? 1. 1 minus 0, what is the value found? Like that, what is the next? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this now? 5 and 6, what is there? B. Like that, it will give you some C also will be coming or not. This is going to be obtained by what? Find ITR iteratively in the entire place. And I want to print. How do you print, sir? For what is this now? RES in what result? Matched result. Print it here. What is this now? Start index. Next is called what? End index. I am writing that. And next is called what? Value I am writing. Dot format of RES dot start, comma, RES dot end, comma, RES dot what? Group. I'm going to write it group. I think you are following me. So this value I want to find out. Print off like this. I'm going to take up. So here I want to find out, students, carefully try to follow me now. So there I am going to write it. Regular expression 4.py. Go to this place. Regular expressions here. Coming to this now. Here I will go to this. Here py. See this carefully. What is this now? 0, 1, 1a. 5, 6, 1b. 16 and 17, one more a is there. Here, one more a is there or not? And C is there in this place also. Are you able to follow? Suppose if I write it small ABC. Do you have any small ABC there? One small a is there. Where it is available? In this place, some small a is there. Somewhere else there is this one. Are you following me? Suppose if I write it come something like what KVR I am writing. No such data. One R is there. K is not there, V is not there, but one R is there. Are you following me? So it depends on what you will write inside. I hope you are following me. So coming to this now. So Ranjan is asking if you want to skip case, if you want to skip case, then how we can do? So already functions I said. Skip case means what? I will use uppercase or lowercase functions you need to do. This will look for what? Suppose you want to look for capital A. I will write small a here. Because it cannot skip on its own. What we need to do? If it is a NumPy pandas level you have seen already, ignore case is equal to false we have written or not. There is no such a type of option is present in these cases. If it is want to skip the case, you need to go for programmable, that is. Is it clear? So this ABC I wrote it, and this is the result we got it, and these are the result what we got it. Understood? Fine. Next I will go to one more here. Second one I am going to write it. What is the second one now? Second one I want to go for it. I don't want to use except ABC, I want to search for it. Except ABC, I want to search. How do you do? Except means I will use. First time you are getting here, square bracket, exclusive bitwise OR operator I am using. Exclusive bitwise operator. What is the use of exclusive bitwise OR operator? I already said. Symmetric difference purpose. Today I am writing exclusive OR operator. ABC. This says what? The name itself says. Come on. Searches for all. Searches for all. Except what? Capital. Of course, it is your choice. Now, since I started with small ABC, searches for except what? A, B, and what? C. Except, search for all except A, B, C. Go to the program now. Go to the program now. Here I am writing it. Here I am saying now. Go to this place. Others here. Say here. Python 5.py. 5.py. There I am writing. Except I am writing here. ABC. Start index, end index, and then value. Try to run this now. What is this exclusive says? When A comes, don't print. Exclusive says what? Similar bits are what? 0. BB comes, don't display. CC comes, don't display. Execute. Now here it is going to be like this. Execute this now. Try to run. PY. Earlier program you see. This is our result. Today what is the value now? 5.py. 5.py. What is coming? All of them are coming except which values? ABC. 0 index, 0 is not there. 5, 5th index is not there. 16th, 16th is not there. 15 and 17. 21 is not there. 21 is not there. 20, 22 is coming. Are you following me? So, did you understand the meaning of these things now? Did you understand this meaning of this preparation? Like that, third, fourth, fifth, like that, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11, and then 12. These are all rules, students. 12, and then 13, and then 14, and then 15, and then 16 rules are there. Suppose I want to search for what? Something like HYD, either H or Y or D, I want to search it. What I will do? I'll write that letters inside of it. Are you following? Like that, there are a lot of rules are there. This I will start tomorrow. So tomorrow class, because time is almost over, tomorrow class, I will go for what? Tomorrow class, I will discuss at a sharp. So I'll go for 7:20, I will go for discussing. Tomorrow class, we'll go for it. Okay, now? So I'll stop my class because even if I start, it cannot complete. So time is already over. Tomorrow class, I will continue this. Okay, don't miss it. Important session. Thank you. Carry on. Online students, you hold on if any doubts are there regarding this concept.